Hey there, you beautiful people. Today we're diving into the world of AI, and guess what? It's not just any AI, we're talking about the top dog, GPT-4. Trust me, you're in for a wild ride, so strap in and get ready for some mind-blowing action. Now let me ask you a question. What if I told you that AI has evolved so much that it can now write stories, create websites, and even unravel the mysteries of the universe? You probably think I'm joking, right? Well, buckle up because GPT-4 is here to blow your mind. So what exactly is GPT-4? It's the latest iteration of the AI model developed by OpenAI, and it's designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. This is an AI-powered language model that can understand and generate human-like text, making it super useful for a wide range of applications. But GPT-4 isn't just an upgrade from its predecessor, GPT 3.5. No, it's a game changer. It's 10 times more advanced. It's been improved and can now understand more detailed points and context better, resulting in more accurate and reliable answers. In today's video, we're going to see just how powerful this AI really is. From writing epic zombie stories to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and even building entire websites from scratch, GPT-4 has already changed the game. So are you ready to witness the power of GPT-4? Let's dive in. First up, we're going to put GPT-4 to the test by having it write a short story about, let's see, a zombie gardener that has a flower shop. Random and ironic, I know, but we're taking storytelling to a whole new level here. So we put GPT-4 to the task, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. This AI-generated story was not only packed with vivid descriptions, but it also had depth and even gave our beloved pirate a rich backstory. And did I mention it was long? This AI sure knows how to spin a yarn. But we couldn't just leave it at that. We had to see how GPT 3.5 would fare with the same prompt. And while it did manage to whip up a story, it was noticeably shorter, less descriptive, and overall, not as impressive as the GPT-4 version. So, in the battle of storytelling, GPT-4 takes the cake. Alright, now it's time for the ultimate showdown. Let's put GPT 3.5 Turbo, or OG default model, and GPT-4 to the test by having them generate content for a website. But we're not going for something simple this time. We want to challenge these AI models to create a website all about unraveling the mysteries of the universe. So, we tasked both GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 with generating content for a website dedicated to discussing complex scientific theories like dark matter, black holes, and the origins of the universe. We wanted to see how they'd explain these intricate concepts while also making them engaging and accessible to the average person. And let me tell you, the results were truly out of this world. While GPT 3.5 Turbo did an admirable job of breaking down complex ideas into simpler terms, GPT-4 took it to a whole new dimension. It provided clear explanations, fascinating examples, and even included some mind-bending thought experiments for readers to ponder. GPT-4 went above and beyond, incorporating relevant quotes from famous physicists, creating interactive quizzes to test the reader's understanding, and suggesting related articles for further exploration. In this face-off, GPT-4 proved itself as a true master of the cosmos. Now that we've seen the power of GPT-4 in action, let's take a moment to discuss its potential impact on the future. You might be thinking, yeah, it's cool and all, but what's the big deal? Oh, trust me, the possibilities are endless. Imagine having GPT-4 at your fingertips, helping you write professional quality articles, design sleek websites, and even assist with programming tasks. Not only could it save you time, but it could also help you unleash your creativity and make your work more enjoyable. And that's not all, folks. GPT-4 is also expected to integrate with other platforms and tools, making it even more versatile and useful. It's like having your own personal AI assistant ready to help with any task at hand. How cool is that? If you're enjoying this content, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of the latest AI trends while also helping this channel and community grow. Alright, now that you're all hyped up about GPT-4, I bet you're dying to get your hands on it, right? Well, hold on to your hats because I'm going to let you in on a little secret. You can actually try GPT-4 right now. That's right. If you sign up for ChatGPT+, you'll get to play around with this amazing AI before the general public. And who knows, you might even get access to some of the incredible new features as they're rolled out. If you're as excited as I am to see what GPT-4 can do, head on over to ChatGPT+ and sign up. Trust me, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Wait, there's more. Did you think we were done? Not quite yet. We've seen GPT-4's text capabilities, but did you know that it's expected to work with images as well? That's right. GPT-4 is poised to become a multimodal AI, taking the world by storm. Imagine an AI that can not only generate engaging text, but also create stunning visuals to go along with it. From designing logos to creating infographics, GPT-4 could revolutionize the way we approach graphic design and visual storytelling. This is just another reason why GPT-4 is so groundbreaking. The potential applications are limitless, and we can't wait to see what it can do once it's fully unleashed. As content creators, we're always looking for ways to up our game, and with GPT-4, we might just have found the ultimate tool to help us do that. From scripting videos like this one to generating eye-catching thumbnails, GPT-4 is a game changer for anyone in the content creation business. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a YouTube scripting video using ChatGPT in Mid-Journey. Just think about how much time and effort you could save by having GPT-4 as your personal AI assistant. You could focus on the big picture, while GPT-4 takes care of the nitty-gritty details. The sky's the limit when you've got an AI powerhouse like GPT-4 in your corner. The impact of GPT-4 won't just be limited to content creators and developers. It has the potential to change the way we work across various industries. From education to marketing, customer support, and more, GPT-4 could help us become more efficient and productive. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, there are always concerns about job displacement. But remember, AI is a tool that can empower us to work smarter and focus on tasks that require human creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills. So instead of fearing GPT-4, let's embrace the possibilities it brings and harness its power for good. Well, folks, it's been quite the journey exploring the incredible world of GPT-4. We've seen its impressive capabilities, and it's safe to say that it's just the beginning of what's to come. But this is only scratching the surface. As the technology continues to evolve, we'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest developments. So make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into GPT-4. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Empower your future with AI, and I'll see you in the next video, you awesome people.